Really, heze? What'd that fish do to you? Why are you beating the fish up like that? I think it's already dead. Did it bite you? Did it hurt you? Why are you hurting the fish? Is it a toy for you? I don't know what she doing over there. She got anything and she just farting around. She probably missed it. Little fisher lady. No, she looks nice and beautiful and colorful. Oh, shit. Oh man. Did y'all see that? Woo. Did it get off? Golly, that was some weight. I think it got off though. It got off. God. Dang. That's about number 4, Daddy in the miss. Oh yeah. What up? I wonder if I got that on video.